So before we draw, we're gonna combine everything together in one box. And here. Uy.
One ticket.
Uy.
Still one ticket.
Uy. Whoa! There's still one more ticket. Let's go. Let's give it a shake. So total we're gonna draw 1, 2, 7, 15. Mr. Luis. Mr. Luis first. One of our youngest members. Mr. Luis. Draw 1. Yes. This is for our 1 month. 2 months. Which one? Target 5. 10 winners. 9 more, Mr. Luis. 9 more. 9. 1. 8 more. 2. 3. 4. 5. 10. 5 more. Just grab 5. 1. 2. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. For our second draw, Mr. Mike, please. And now 5 winners for so 5 tickets for this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. 5. Next. Mia. I wanted to draw Mia.
What? A kid?
5, sir.
5.
Oh.
Look here. 1,
You're cheating.
2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa! 5. And finish.
2 more.
1. Oh. Lucky prize. Marco. Look here while grabbing one. Look here. Who's the lucky winner?
I want one.
I want one. Okay. Sit down, Marco. Okay, Luis! Luis, your turn! Look here. Oh, wait. You might throw yourself. Looking here. Just one. Just one.
One, okay?